Is your dog secretly suffering? 7 out of 10 owners miss these crucial signs of pain. Find out if you're one of them. How can a dog's facial expression reveal discomfort? A. Wider eyes. B. Floppy ears. C. Wrinkled muzzle. D. Open mouth panting. C. Wrinkled muzzle. What unexpected change in appetite could signal pain in dogs? A. Eating more treats. B. Drinking less water. C. Preferring soft foods. D. Begging for table scraps. C. Preferring soft foods. Which surprising sleep pattern might suggest your dog is hurting? A. Sleeping less overall. B. Snoring more loudly. C. Dreaming more frequently. D. Preferring to sleep outdoors.